Children, please open English classwork book, page number 101 to write I sound words.
What is this? This is a nib. N-I-B, nib. Now we will write the spelling of nib here. First, we will make a standing line. Then we will go up, make a curve and come down standing. N. From first blue line to second blue line, standing line and small dot. I. Now we will write B. Standing line, go up till first blue line, make a curve and touch the second blue line. B. N-I-B, nib. Now we will write here N. N says I. I says E. B. B says B. E. B. Nib. N. I. B. Nib. What is this? This is a fig. F-I-G, fig. First we will make a curve and standing line till second blue line, and we will make a slipping line on first blue line F. Now small standing line and dot I. C curve, go up, come down standing and make a curve. G. F-I-G, fig. Now we will write F. F says F. I says E. And G. G says G. F, E, G, fig. F, I, G, fig. What is this? This is a pig. From first blue line to second red line we will make a standing line. Then we will go up and we will make a curve P. Now small standing line and dot I. C curve. Go up and come down standing and make a curve G. P-I-G, pig. Now we will write P. P says P. I says E. And G. G says G. P, E, G, pig. Now again we will write P, I, G. P, I, G, pig. What is this? This is a wig. W-I-G, wig. From first blue line to second blue line, slant down, then slant up, again slant down and slant up. W. Now small standing line and dot I. C curve. Go up, come down standing and make a curve. G. W-I-G, wig. Now we will write W. W says V. Then we will write I. I says E. And G. G says G. V, E, G, wig. Now again we will write W. I, G, wig. Children, this way you have to complete this page by yourself in your classwork book.